Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to share the major problem of skin, which is open pores. Most of the women and men have this problem. Here I share some DIY remedy to solve open pores problem. So let's start farther delay. We need green tea and tea tree oil for toner. After apply the toner, you have to wait until it's dry. You can also use apple cider vinegar and rose water as toner. This helps to clean and closes the large pores. Here we use banana paste and sandalwood powder as face pack. It helps to smooth your skin, closes pores and boost collagen. Apply for 15 minutes. Then wash with normal water. You can also use this remedy. Here we need oats powder and egg white. Egg white is very effective for open pores and tightening skin. Egg increases skin elasticity and helps to minimize large open pores, which makes your skin glowy. Apply for 15 minutes. Then wash with normal water. Lock the full process with ice cube. It helps to minimize large pores. Here we need tomato paste and honey for making the ice cubes. Store in refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. Rub the cube for 2 minutes. Then wait for dry and wash with normal water. This is the best ice cube for open pores. Here we use green tea and aloe vera gel for making ice cube. Rub the cube for 2 minutes to your face and wait for dry. Don't wash it and see the magic. This is the best ice cube for open pores. Here we use green tea and aloe vera gel for making ice cube. Rub the cube for 2 minutes to your face and wait for dry. Don't wash it and see the magic.